Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will launch the File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders. Once File Explorer opens, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of quick access folders and locations. Navigate through this menu and click on your OneDrive folder. This will open your OneDrive storage space directly within File Explorer, making it easy to manage and organize your cloud files. Now here's where the actual transfer process begins, and it's actually quite straightforward. With your OneDrive folder open and visible on your screen, go ahead and open your Outlook app. You can keep both windows visible side by side for easier navigation, or you can switch between them as needed. In Outlook, locate the specific email you want to transfer to your OneDrive folder. This could be an important message you need to archive, a receipt you want to keep safe, or any email you'd like to store in the cloud for easy access across all your devices. Once you've found the email, simply click on it and drag it directly to your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. As you drag the email, you'll notice it being moved across your screen. When you release it over the OneDrive folder, the email will automatically be saved and transferred. The file will be stored as an MSG file, which preserves all the email content, including attachments, formatting, and sender information. This makes it easy to open and view the email later, even if you're not using Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Outlook email to OneDrive, making it accessible from any device connected to your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.